Yeah, hi YouTube family, hope all you are doing well. Welcome to Tech One channel again. Today I am showing you how to use pivot table in Excel. So let me brief about you the formula that we will be using in Excel. It's called pivot table. So what is pivot table? Pivot table are one of Excel's most powerful feature. A pivot table allows you to extract the significance from a large detailed data set. Suppose our data sheet consists of 213 records and 6 fields. That's order ID, product, category, amount, date and region. What you will do if you require this data by one of the field, you just have to filterize and then you can get the information from that data. So we can use pivot table to build a list of unique values, because pivot tables summarize data they can use to find unique value in a field. If this is a good way to quickly see all the values that appears in a field and also find types and other consistencies. Before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in the comment sections below and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give your comment as well. So before wasting any further time, let me show you how to use a pivot table in Excel. So we'll be using data that I have. This is the sample data I will be using for a pivot table. So in this table I have order date, region, then representative, then item, then unit, how much unit is there, then the cost of the unit and the price of the item. So I have total 44 items. So if I want to filter by central, then if I want to see how much binder goes to central, who's the person who buys this or sell this item, then it would be hard for me to filter and then get the information from this data. Okay, so we can use the pivot table to club this data in one sheet and we can get the report as per our requirement. So let me show you how to use a pivot table in this Excel. So pivot table will be in insert tab known as pivot table. So click on it, go to insert and click on pivot table. Then the pop-up message will come. So it will select the data that we will be using. So it will be selecting A to G and column 1 to 44. This will be the data that we will be using. After that, if you have external data, you can click on use as external data. If you want to use the same worksheet, then you can click on this option, new worksheet, or if you want to use the existing one, then you click on the existing one, or if you want any location, then you can click the location tab. So I will be using new worksheet. I don't want to change anything on this worksheet. I will be creating a new worksheet. So click OK. Then this type of table, it will pop out. So I will be taking this total as a value. Okay, then I require the name of the representative, then the item, how much item they sell, and the region. We putting the region here, or you can, if you want column wise, you can click you can put it here, or if you want row wise, you can click here. So see, if you check, I have a binder list of all binders, how much Andrew sells, Gills, then Howard, Jardine, Jones, how much they sells in which region. I have all the information given on this pivot table. So this way you can create the pivot table very easily, and it will be helping to create many reports in our day-to-day life. So it is a very easy formula. So you just need to go to insert, then click on pivot table. The formula got selected and the pop-up message which will become, and you can create the pivot table. If you want to change anything, you can click on this, and also you can change the field as well. So if you want the field needs to be changed there, so you can change the field as well. So this way you can use the pivot table. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button given on the right hand side of my video as in red color, and also click on the bell icon so you get all the notification for my new uploaded videos, so you never miss an update of any videos that I got uploaded for you. And also if you require any particular videos to be made, please feel free to contact me and I will make that video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Shabaka, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye.